guys, hey, what is up? What's going on? So welcome back to the channel, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Wait, we can't talk again. Okay. To our channel. So today we have an exciting video. We're going to look at a very luxurious apartment or villa. I don't even know what they're going to call it as yet, but we're going to see right now. So if you guys are interested in all of that, it is in St.ANN, Discovery Bay. I'm going to show you the street and everything. The place them runners are just nice. Alright, so just come with us, and if you're interested, I'm gonna go and see what I want. So let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, everything is in the construction phase, but may I tell you, from what I'm seeing here, it looks beautiful already. So this is the main entrance. You know, the map plants up there, nice flowers and things, and this is the main entrance and all. Look at it, guys. It's going to be a villa, not apartment, but you know, it's a villa. Very huge. Look at it already. Men up there working it. From, if you visualize it from this distance, you will realize that it is very nice. So this is the foreman.
Yeah, St. Catherine. St. Catherine. Yeah,
this is the foreman.
So far in camp, go everywhere, man. New York, I go work already.
Oh wow. So he's in charge of this lovely building. Look at it. This one be like one infinity pool, like.
Yeah, this is an infinity pool.
It's the infinity pool, guys. Look at it. I said it. Cause next it looks so. Now the bar will be down that side. Bar and dining area. So I guess this is the entrance and waiting area and lobby as well. So this is the lobby and everything as well. Ceiling nice. Bar. You know, nice little cozy villa for if you have your friends get together and stuff. Run yourself look like bathroom and stuff. Yeah. Bathroom. And so, and this is a kitchen. If this is a kitchen, this is a kitchen. This is just so lovely. I can't imagine how it gonna look. Small, yes, but I think it is perfect for a small group of people. This is a what?
That area is a powder room.
Oh, this is a powder room, guys. Very nice. Just like the tiles them we didn't use. Powder room and storeroom. Storeroom is this. And you see the windows, oh them high and nice.
Yeah. A closet.
Wow. Look at the closet. Go in there, Kim. This is a bedroom.
Bedroom, closet.
Alright, so this is the bedroom. So what is going to be here? Glass or what?
Just glass, man. The sliding glass.
Oh, yes, that sliding glass goes right here, you know? So you know they're gonna have that luxurious and elegant kind of look. Oh gosh, I love this. It's nice, not do a good job. Look there. No man. We have to come. We have to hire you, master. Eh? Oh, the toilet is going to be over here and so?
It's a bidet and that is a bowl.
Bowl, okay. See that?
Yeah. When you come in a master, everything is the master.
No man.
This is a bathroom.
This is a bathroom.
Bathroom number one. So
No? This is the master.
Yes.
I love, I don't know, then tiles here just give me life, then just everything. Wow. Like the wood.
Yeah.
No,
What?
The
The concept of it, yeah,
Yeah,
very nice.
very
Come
unique
show.
and-
True, man.
Yeah, she what they what's it they need it for, yeah?
Yes.
So this area is for a jacuzzi.
Alright, jacuzzi area.
Put a quad jacuzzi. Yeah. And then this is a standing shower.
Standing shower, so you know a glass
And
business
then
is
you have
here.
the-
So
then you have the rain shower.
overhead shower. Yeah, but come on now. No needs to come here when this thing finish here. I'm not asking.
Yeah, if you have money.
If you got your money, you know people want to save up their money for come.
No man, that is a
Overhead
rain
shower.
shower.
Oh, wow.
That's why I want to just drop on you like that. Okay, shower. Then you have an L.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
No, with the ear just.
Yeah.
Right.
So they closet.
Which one? Yourself?
Yeah, this is an extra.
Oh, so this is a closet. Let me show you from the inside. I mean the far corner. Look at it. Nice.
But when you say you mean say you alone.
And this is the room. And this is the room. Glass business I go up this down. And white thing. Same water thing, yeah. This is nice, man. Some nice going on over here. So we're going to give you guys the foreman's number if you don't want nice up on the place. I'm telling you, he's doing a good job. Man in crew, yeah? Man in crew, I do a good job. Tiles and just nice. I guess this is a room as well.
No, it's gonna be like a front entrance.
Oh.
Like a veranda.
I guess this is a waiting area as Kim says.
Yeah.
How you going, you know? Oh, down here,
We
so.
don't really have to show them like saying what don't have
Alright, so over here you have rooms again. Hello, sir. We're just giving you a basic run through because basically what is downstairs is also upstairs. So you see?
Same concept and
Same
idea.
concept, same idea. It tells them just nice. Hello. I love this. That concept is just nice.
Exclusive.
Comment down below if you like the concept. It just make you feel like you know what's it.
Yes.
So make sure say you and your friends group up when you finish. So we can come here.
Same idea.
Yeah, this is a nice one. So guys, hello.
Yeah.
Yes, this floor. Nice. All I know they're doing a good job. Everything dusty, feel dusty and stuff because they're working. Because they're working on everything. It's just nice. Oh. We were fortunate enough to go around and browse, and I'm telling you, I'm in love with the place already.
Yeah,
If you can visualize how it will look, actually you will love it. So grab all your friends and your family members and whatever, and when you finish, you come. The foreman said in 3 weeks, massive
we are giving more time.
Transformation.
We are giving more time to transform it.
So when it is finished, we're going to come back around here and we're going to show you guys, like, we're going to just update you guys as to how the place will look afterwards. So I really hope that you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Okay, comment down below if you guys would be interested to come around here and all them good stuff. Just comment down below, guys. Yeah, we love you guys, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video because we'll be doing a lot more videos like this.